Hi guys, welcome back, and this time is for Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G. Actually, this is my first unboxing of 5G phone, and I think this is the first mid-range phone with 5G network. Actually, I want to see the performance of this phone and also show you the specs, the cameras also, and the performance of this phone again when it comes to the gaming, multitasking as well. May nagtatanong sa akin kung ano daw ibig sabihin ng SE. Well, for me, ibig sabihin ng SE is Special Edition. But I don't know with Huawei, baka may iba pa silang meaning ng SE kasi depends din yan kasi sa company, sa branding nila. Anyway, the variant that I have is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. The color that I got is crush green. I love color green kasi masarap sa mata eh, maliwanag, fresh, mas lalo na pag sa mga taong nag-eyeglass. So, let's go ahead and unbox the phone. So, let's open the box. Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G. Ayan, open na natin. There you go. Ayan. May isa pa siyang box, oh. Cute. Then, so dalawa pala box nito. Oh. So, ito yung mystery na unboxing. Makaka-discover tayo ng bago. Ito yung phone. Wow! Pero, set aside muna natin. Sticker, serial. SIM ejector pin as usual. Quick starting guide. Warranty card, and the jelly case. I love it. Here. Toink, toink, soft siya. And the 40 watts charger. Yeah. USB Type-C cable. And the earphone. So here's the phone. Ayusin natin ito. Stick ito. There you go. Ang ganda na pagka-crush green. Parang ano, yung soft drinks na kulay green. And Nova. Parang naalala ko yung Benetton na brand. Parang ganyan. Ang ganda ng green, no? I love it. The camera. And flip natin screen. The colors available for this are Space Silver, Crush Green, and Midsummer Purple. Maganda sana yung Midsummer Purple pero hindi available. So, eto na lang sa paborito ko, sa Crush Green. And of course, with free screen protector. Tanggalin natin to. Ayan. Gusto ko kasi sa mga phones na mayroong free screen protector eh, para hindi ka na maghahanap or bibili sa online pa. So, ito yun. I love it. Ayan. Ito yung finger sensor and scanner. This also serves as a power button, volume control. On the top is the mic. On the bottom we have earphone jack, the microphone, USB port, and the loudspeaker. And on this side, andito yung SIM card slot and the nano memory SD card slot. Okay. Okay, so let's check it here. Meron siyang dark mode. Activate na natin. Okay. Screen recorder. Gusto ko rin to. And ebook mode. Ito yung pag magbabasa ka ng ebook para mas malinaw yata yung mga font sa mata. Yan, nag-black and white siya. So, deactivate natin. And that's all. Sa camera naman, photo, video, and more. Ito yung favorite ko, yung dual view. Yung dual view, maganda yan habang nag-vlog ka. Mas maganda pag naglalakad ka sa labas. Yung street vlogging ba? Para nakikita ng tao yung gusto mong i-pinpoint or gusto mong ituro sa location mo kung nasaan ka. At the same time, yung reaction ng face mo. And yung habang nagsasalita ka. Time-lapse and slow motion. Slow motion, maganda rin slow motion daw feature na itong phone. So, tatry natin i-test tong phone. Camera testing maybe on my other videos. Upcoming videos for this phone. So, video resolution 4K 30 FPS. So, ito yun. Watermark, ito na rin for the phone. As usual, wala siyang Google Play services, pero may Huawei app gallery naman siya. Most of the apps nandyan na, pero nag-update pa rin sila from time to time. YouTube, wala rin. So, gumawa ko ng shortcut for YouTube. So, YouTube browser to. The display size of this phone is 6.5 inches with rounded corner design. And the display type is LTPS LCD with the resolution of 2400 by 1080. The operating system is EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10. So, ito yon. With the chipset of Huawei Kirin 820 5G. For the camera, tingnan nyo, may nakasuot na Huawei camera, branding nila. So, minsan diba pag may kasabay tayo sa elevator, may nagte-text, gumagamit na phone. Minsan curious tayo, anong phone ang gamit niya? So, kita natin Huawei. Ito siya. For the rear camera, we have 64 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel bokeh o bokeh, and 2 megapixel macro camera. With up to 4K video quality. And for the front cam or selfie camera, it has 16 megapixels and it can do video at to 1080p. Testing natin yung sounds. Adjust natin yung quality. Naka 1080p na siya.
School said that I was
How's the voice?
This boy is clearly an idiot like this umpire. I mean, do you think John McEnroe would let that umpire tell him that he's not beautiful? No.
Now for the battery, it has 4000 mAh battery capacity with Huawei supercharged maximum of 40 watts with reverse charge of 5 watts. It says it can charge up to 70% in 30 minutes. So maganda to. Especially pag may lakad tayo tapos low bat na yung phone, charge ka agad natin and in 30 minutes 70% na siya. So big point sa akin to. May nagtatanong kung worth it ba to have this phone with the price of 19,990. Depends sa'yo. If you are a Huawei user ever since, then siguro I think magugustuhan mo tong phone. But with the 5G, may nagsasabi ng walang kwenta itong phone for now kasi wala man tayong 5G connectivity. Well, I think meron naman 5G connectivity in some places in Metro Manila. And then useful din itong 5G connectivity pag nagta-travel kayo or magka-travel kayo sa ibang countries na with 5G connectivity like sa South Korea, China, and then Singapore ata. In the future, pag wala ng virus, you can use this as your Wi-Fi hotspot with your friends. Tapos, connect kayo sa 5G. Connect mo to sa 5G network. With their internet prepaid SIM card, dun sa pupuntahan yung bansa, kabit nyo dito, then makaka-ano kayo ng 5G connectivity. Alam ko mag-enjoy kayo sa mga vloggers, sa mga future vloggers, sa dual cam mode nito. So, especially sa mga travelers, you can use the dual cam mode of this phone. Halimbawa, kumakain kayo sa may street food. Halimbawa, sa Tokyo, kakain kayo ng mga street food. Siyempre, nakafocus sa food. And at the same time, kakainin mo yung reaction mo na pagkakain ka ng food. Or, siyempre, ipipicture mo rin yung mga stalls, yung mga food stalls habang kausap niyo yung mga employee doon, nabibili ka. Kita rin yung mukha mo. At the same time, kita rin yung food na pipiliin mo. So, yun ang advantage din. And then, of course, gusto mo pakita sa mga tao yung mga landscape na, halimbawa, magka-travel ka, kita mo na yung mga buildings, yung mga magandang spots. At the same time, yung reaction ng mukha mo, makikita rin. Good use tong phone for the dual camera. Alam ko may iba rin brand ng phones na meron dual camera na mode. And it is on FHD, Full HD mode. This phone has a powerful killing 820 G5 chipset. And it has the most powerful processor at this time. For this one, it has enhanced performance and energy efficiency. Naglaro ako ng game kanina. Very smooth siya. And then, up to high graphic settings lang siya. Walang ultra. Pero okay na okay sa akin. And of course, because of the powerful killing 820 G5, it has an upgraded photography capability. So, expected na natin na maganda ang result ng mga pictures and videos coming from this phone. So guys, if you want to purchase this phone because of its powerful chipset, and performance and good photography, then I recommend this phone. For me, I'm going to keep this phone for now. I think I'm going to enjoy this phone kahit na wala siyang Google Apps. As long as I can access naman Gmail, YouTube, and Facebook, okay naman to sa akin. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And I have another giveaway. This one is Huawei Bluetooth earphone. It has 18 hours of playback and fast charge. Ang bigat, di ko alam bakit mabigat tong box. The mechanics on how to win this is in the video description. Good luck sa winner. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, bye!